Imagine a forest, green and lush, the light shining through the trees. You're going for a walk, and it's so quiet. Or is it? Just a foot or two below you, the forest is busier and livelier than you could ever imagine. What if I told you the trees talk to each other, between species and everything, and they talk to each other a lot? A researcher noticed that if you have a fir tree and a birch tree right next to each other, if you take the birch tree out, the fir tree will grow sick and die. This suggests that trees depend on each other for survival a lot more than we thought. This raised so many questions. The general belief was that trees competed with each other for resources, not worked together. So an experiment was designed where a tree was sealed in a bag and the bag was pumped with radioactive isotopes that could be tracked on how they moved. Nearly all the surrounding trees received the isotopes. This showed proof of an underground economy. They discovered the stockbrokers of this underground economy are fungus, and they're everywhere. It was estimated that in a pinch of dirt there was approximately 7 miles of fungus. These nearly microscopic tubular creatures build networks between the trees, plan ahead to decide how to save nutrients, distribute the nutrients among the trees, defend the trees from predators, and go and get food for the trees. This wasn't a one-sided relationship, though. The fungus had reason for helping the trees. The fungi provide essential minerals for the tree, but the tree provides essential sugars for the fungi. It's a perfect relationship. But the fungi connect all the trees together. They send food and resources around. They protect the forest. They almost act as a whole entity, like a large network of nodes sending signals to each other, much like a human brain. And that's just one forest. Maybe we're much more connected than we think. And if there's one thing we can learn, it's that life is better when we work together. But I've only skimmed the surface. Dig a little deeper and check out the podcast from Radiolab.